Previous day, I have taught you about the gerund and participle, but today I am giving to describe the phrases and clauses. You know, and you do not know, but I am telling you about the phrases. What is phrase? Phrase is a group of words which make sense but not complete sense. It has no finite verb. According to the definition, phrase definition of phrase, group of words which make sense which make sense but not complete sense, but no complete sense and do not have finite verb, verbs are called phrases. See here, group of words which make sense but do not complete sense, but no complete sense, and do not have finite verbs are called phrases. Again I am going to repeat you, group of words which make sense but no complete sense, वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स जो कि सेंस रखता है, अर्थ रखता है, बट नॉट कंप्लीट सेंस, बट नो कंप्लीट सेंस, एंड डू नॉट हैव फाइनाइट वर्ब व्हिच कॉल्ड फ्रेज. ओके, एग्जांपल, I live in New Delhi. First example, in New Delhi, phrase. New Delhi, phrase. Second example, to find fault is easy. Phrase. See here, in the example, in the first attempt, we live in New Delhi. In New Delhi, group of words, but it has sense, but not complete sense. And do not have finite verb. इन न्यू दिल्ली में कुछ तो सर्च कर रहा है कि दिल्ली में, लेकिन छिपा हुआ है क्या दिल्ली में, कुछ कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं है, इसलिए फ्रेज हो गया। टू फाइंड फॉल्ट इज इजी, गलती ढूंढना आसान है। टू फाइंड फॉल्ट, गलती ढूंढना, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स, इट हैज सेंस बट नॉट कंप्लीट सेंस, इट इज कॉल्ड फ्रेज। Types of phrases. Types of phrases. First, there are three types of phrases. First, noun phrase. Second, adverb phrase. Third, adjective. There are three types of phrases: noun phrase, adverb phrase, and adjective phrase. There are three types of phrases, but I am going to explain you again and again, turn by turn. First of all, I am going to explain you noun phrase. What is noun phrase? Definition. A phrase that functions as a noun is a noun in a sentence is called noun phrase. सेंटेंस में जो फ्रेज नाउन का कार्य करता हो उसको हम नाउन फ्रेज कहते हैं. A phrase that performs the function as a noun is called noun. Example: we like to watch good movies. To watch good movies is a phrase. What like? वर्ब में व्हाट क्वेश्चन लगा देने पर जो आंसर आएगा वही नाउन हो। वी लाइक टू वॉच गुड मूवी, व्हाट लाइक आंसर द टू वॉच गुड मूवी, मूवी देखना, इट इज नाउन फ्रेज, इट इज नाउन फ्रेज। सेकंड एग्जाम्पल, to help others, to help others is good, is good, to help others, what is to help others, दूसरों की मदद करना अच्छी बात है। what is good to help others, it is noun phrase, noun phrase. Do you follow? I hope you must follow. Noun phrase, noun, a phrase that functions as a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. Example, we like to watch good movie. To find the noun phrase, you must question with the verb what like to watch good movie. Then answer is the noun phrase. To help others is good. What is good? Answer is to help others. That is why to help others is noun phrase. Next, adverb phrase. Adverb phrase. A phrase that performs the function of an adverb the function of an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb phrase. A phrase that performs the function of an adverb in a sentence. वो phrase जो सेंटेंस में एडवर्ब का रोल अदा करता है, एडवर्ब का कार्य करता है, उसको हम एडवर्ब क्लॉज कहते हैं। A phrase that performs the function of an adverb in a sentence is called adverb clause. Okay? According to the example. First. Example first. He walked in a slow manner. He walked in a slow manner. In a slow manner is adverb phrase. But see, in next sentence, he walked slowly. He walked in a slow manner. वह धीमी गति से चलता है. He walked slowly. वह धीरे चलता है. But here slowly is adverb. Slowly is a adverb, not adverb phrase. Slowly is a adverb, not adverb phrase. But sense is the same. अर्थ दोनों का एक ही है, लेकिन in a slow manner is a adverb phrase, but slowly is a adverb. This is the difference between the verb phrase and adverb. I hope you must follow. In a slow manner is adverb phrase. Slowly adverb. But this is the differences. Same meaning is the same. Third, adjective phrase. A phrase that performs the function perform the function of an adjective in a sentence is called an adjective phrase. See here, a phrase that performs the function of an adjective in a sentence. सेंटेंस में जो एडजेक्टिव का फंक्शन करता हो उसको हम एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, we bought a necklace about a necklace made of gold. Made of gold is adjective. Adjective phrase. Next, see here, we bought golden necklace. We bought a golden necklace. See here, a golden necklace. is adjective. In next sentence, golden necklace, perform the adjective. What type of necklace is golden? So here golden word is adjective. But in the above sentences, we bought a necklace made of gold. सोने का बना हुआ था. It is phrase made of adjective phrase. But today, among you, I have taught about the phrase. What is phrase? I am going to repeat again. What is phrase? Phrase is a group of words. Phrase is a group of words which has sense but no complete sense, and he has no finite verb. It is called phrase. According to the example, he walks slowly. He walks in a slowly manner. In a slowly manner is a phrase. There are three kinds of sentences: noun phrase, adverb phrase, and adjective phrase. Noun phrase, a phrase that performs the function of a noun in a sentence, is called noun phrase. Noun phrase, a phrase that performs the function of a noun in a sentence, is called noun phrase. To help others is good thing, is good. What is good? To help others. यानी अच्छा क्या है? दूसरे की मदद करना. दूसरे की मदद करना is a noun. To find out the noun phrase is a easy. Why? How? To ask questions. Ask questions. What? What word is used to ask question with the verb, and the answer is the noun. That is why found the noun phrase. verb के साथ में what क्वेश्चन लगाइए, जो भी आपको आंसर आएगा वह नाउन है, वही नाउन फ्रेज हो गया. एडवर्ब फ्रेज दैट परफॉर्म द फंक्शन ऑफ ए वर्ब. एडवर्ब फ्रेज में आप एडवर्ब की तरह का जो काम करे वही एडवर्ब क्लोज है. इसमें व्हेन, हाउ, वेयर क्वेश्चन वर्ब से लगाइए, जो आंसर आएगा वो एडवर्ब फ्रेज हो जाएगा. ही वॉक इन ए स्लो मैनर. तो हाउ ही वॉक in a slow manner. He study at night. When study? At night. At night is adverb. Adjective. This is the same. Perform the function of an adjective. Is called adjective phrase. Example: he bought a necklace made of gold. But he bought a golden necklace. Golden necklace is a adjective. But made of gold is adjective phrase. He walked slowly, adverb. But he walked in a slowly manner, adverb phrase. First, I hope you must understand the phrase and the kinds of phrases with example also. So, thanks.